Welcome 8th standard. So continue from the previous video. I am going to teach exercise 4.1 question number 3. I am going to draw this and I am going to explain how to draw this. This you do by yourself. So this question is, they ask us to draw parallelogram. Name is Moore and the measurement is given. So since parallelogram, what is the property of a parallelogram? Parallelogram means all the sides are equal. So as usual, draw rough diagram. Rough diagram is very important. Without rough diagram, you are not supposed to draw construction lesson. So parallelogram, they ask us to draw parallelogram and whose name is Moore. It's Moore. M-O-R-E. M-O-R-E. Moore. OR is 6 centimeter. RE is 4.5 centimeter. And EO is 7.5 centimeter. This is the diagram. This is the rough diagram. Since it is a parallelogram, all the parallel sides are equal. Parallel sides are equal. So if this is 6 centimeter, this also definitely 6 centimeter. If this is 4.5, this is also 4.5, and we got one diagonal. So as I told you earlier, to construct a quadrilateral, minimum we need 4 sides and 1 diagonal, or 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Here 1 diagonal and 4 sides. Only 3 values are given in the question, but don't confuse. Since it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So if this is 4.5, this is also 4.5. If this is 6, this is also 6, and 1 diagonal. So like previous question, if diagonal is given, take that as a base, then it will be easy for you. Here diagonal is OE. OE is 7.5 centimeter. So again I am telling, only to draw baseline we want to use scale directly. Otherwise you should not use scale directly. Instead you want to use compass. You want to draw arc, then only you will get the exact shape. So we have drawn OE is 7.5 centimeter. So OE we have drawn. Then upper side and lower side. So like you will get diagram like this. Now we draw this diagram OE. So from O we want to draw 6 centimeter arc. From E we want to draw 4.5 centimeter arc. Since if you have confusion, just let me change this name alone. OE, EO both are same only. Anyway, both are same. I'm just going to draw this shape exactly like this. So OE, on keeping compass on O, we want to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Keeping compass on E, we want to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So measure 6 centimeter and draw arc at O. So keep compass on O and draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Next one, keeping on E, want to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter. On E want to draw arc of. Sometimes you will get shape like this, that is both the arc will not meet each other. Purposely only I drew this one, because always you will not draw arc while together, that is meeting point. You may draw arc like this, then you should not tell that these two arc are not meeting. So what you want to do, you want to extend the arc which we have drawn already. Just extend like this. Whichever arc is not meeting, just extend, you will get the arc. Then the meeting point is OR is 6 centimeter and ER is 4.5. So this is R. Just join. This is 4.5 centimeter, and this one is 6 centimeter. So then and there, immediately drawing line, you complete the diagram by using the scale, and again lower triangle, keeping compass on E, we want to measure 6 centimeter. So draw an arc of 6 centimeter by keeping compass on E. So E, and we want to draw arc of 6 centimeter, and keeping on O, we want to draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter on E, on O 4.5 centimeter. So join this. This is the meeting point, that is, this is M, this is 4.5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. So this is the actual parallelogram MORE, and this is the diagonal. We got the parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, and diagonal is 7.5 centimeter. And I'll explain fourth question. Fourth one is, they gave rhombus. So rhombus, what is the property of rhombus? Rhombus means all the sides are equal. They gave name as BEST. So BEST. In this BE is 4.5 centimeter, and ET, this is ET is 6 centimeter. Only these two values given. You should not think that only 2 by 2 we are having two value, how can we draw? Since it is a rhombus, rhombus property is all the sides are equal. So if this is 4.5, then everything is 4.5 centimeter. So we got 4 sides and 1 diagonal. So definitely we can construct this quadrilateral also. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.